I just received the August Sew Sampler subscription box from Fat Quarter Shop. So let's open it and take a look and see what's in here. Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and I like to show you some unboxing videos of different things that I purchased. Let's open up the August Sew Sampler box and see what's in here. Sew Sampler Sewing August 2025. And when you get this box, there is usually a code. I've actually got a code for 20% off. And then you can also go online and find a different free pattern, a shortcut quilt. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, our little booklet. Start out with, here's a pen. This is a Sew Line pen, and it's an air erasable fabric pen. Planning out your stitches but don't want to leave a lasting mark? The Sew Line air erasable pen glides across your fabric with a smooth ceramic roller ball, giving you a crisp, easy to see lines right where you need them. Like footprints in a wildflower meadow, marks gently fade away on their own within 2 to 10 days. And the value of this is $3.98. And I have used Sew Line pens before. They are nice. What else have we got in here? It looks like the big thing is the fabric. 1, 2. There are 3 5-inch charm packs. Nice. And these are from Benartex, Shelly Cabana, 3 Among the Wildflowers, 2. There you can see the different colors that are in there. I'll have to open one so you can see it. Those are really neat. There is also a Creative Grids non-slip 4-in-1 hexie. But I love their rulers, the Creative Grids. What's it say about it? 4-in-1 template. Let's see. The value of this is $21.99. Plant the seed and watch it blossom with the Creative Grids 4-in-1 hexie ruler. This clever little ruler is like sunshine for your cutting table and makes it a breeze to shape 4.5-inch hexagons, 4.5-inch half hexagons, 2.5-inch triangles, and 2.5-inch diamonds from simple fabric strips with a grippy back. Now, I do not have this ruler in my collection of rulers, so I'll be anxious to see how this works. Nice. Let's see. Here's the pattern, Rain Lilies, table runner pattern. And as you can see, it's using the hexie ruler and the charm packs. 16.5 by 58 1/4. And they've got directions on cutting. This is going to be easy to put together. I can see that. Cute. Let's see on that. The value on the pattern is $9.98. I did not tell you that on these, the value of the charm packs is $37.44. Then we also have flowering, block number 5 for the quilt along. Every month with the Sew Sampler box, you get a new quilt block. Cute. I'm going to go ahead and open up one of these just so we can get an idea of what the fabrics look like. And it looks like you're going to get 2 of each. Lots of florals. That one has a gray background, blues, teals. Ooh, I like that one. They're actually very pretty. And do that. Get an idea of all the different colors and patterns that are in this charm pack. And like I said, we've got 3 of them. So I'm not sure if you're going to need all 3 to make a table runner. Doubt it. I bet you could make one with 1 charm pack. I don't know. We'll find out. What do you think of those? They are beautiful. The ruler. Let's take a look at the ruler. The nice thing about the Creative Grids rulers, you can go online and they will have tutorials on their website to teach you how to use their rulers. They've got that little rough edge on the back so they stick, they hold onto your fabric. They're very nice. You also get this, which it has diagrams telling you how to use it on strips of fabric. That'll be fun to use. I'm going to make this table runner just so we can see how it works. Oh, looks like it's only going to need 2. It's going to need 55-inch squares, or 5-inch squares, I'm sorry. So yeah, there's going to be an extra one left over. And it looks like that is what was in the box. The value of this is another one. It's $4.98. Pattern, the ruler, the sew line pen, and 3 charm packs. What do you think?